Do you ever feel like it's too late to start working towards your business, working towards your goals, working towards your relationships? You feel like time is passing too fast and you're not making progress. Just imagine yourself being 80 years old or 90 years old and think of all the things that you would have regret not doing or doing. I think that if you had to be in that position, what you would think about is, I will regret of the things that I didn't do. So if you have ideas, if you have the chance to record your videos, even though you're going through a really hard situation in your life, maybe the setup is not the setup that you're expecting, maybe you don't have the camera that you want to have, you're waiting for the perfect moment, but at the same time, you're just letting the time pass. If there's something very valuable that we all got the same way is time. Imagine you have 24 diamonds every day that are given to you, that you can spend them however you want. But these are diamonds and you have only 24. That means each hour is a diamond. How do you want to spend it? Who do you want to give it to? So the same is with time. This is the most valuable thing that has been given to us and is being given in the same way to everybody. Like we all have the same amount of time throughout the day. But the difference between the people that are working towards their goals and the people that are just giving up or are lost in life is that the people that are working towards their goal are building something. And then later on, we'll be able to get more diamonds, more time. You don't get more time, but by working towards your goals, they will pay off for you to use that time however you want. Now, a lot of people don't know why they will need or want more time. Some people want more time because they want to spend more time with their family. If you just build a family, some parents just want to spend more time with their kids instead of going to work. Some people wants to have more time so that they can actually focus on the things that they feel like are meaningful to the world. Like if you're building an app, if you're building like a software or any business, anything that is meaningful and impactful to the world, you will want to put more of your time towards that than putting your time towards things that are not worth it, like watching TV or things that are draining your energy. My energy or my focus gets pulled in different directions at this age in my life. Sometimes it's by the problems of other people, the stories of other people, their lives of other people, what they're going through. Sometimes it's me not knowing how to say no. And sometimes it's just the phone and not knowing how to master my phone. And instead, I let the phone master me. But I came up with a solution for all of those things. One of the solutions is locking my phone away and just forgetting about it. I said, you're not going to steal another day of my life, even though I know I'm responsible for what I do with my phone. But it's really easy to get caught into something that drains your energy and pulls your focus away. So I said, no more days. Then, because I put my phone away, nobody can text me, nobody can call me, and I don't have to be there for it. It's not that I don't want to be there for the people that I love. It's just I have a life as well, and I have things that I want to do. So sometimes it's good to share your time with the people that you love, but it also has to be like a reciprocated way, a way where it fills you with inspiration and motivation. Sometimes some people want to talk to you and connect with you in a way that it might drain your energy, your emotional energy, and that makes sense. That can happen. But the choice is yours. So you're giving the choice. By giving this choice, you have the freedom. So you choose what you want to do, how you want to react to these people's life, how do you want to react to the things that are taking your focus away. And so try to find a solution for what's pulling your energy away. For me, was putting the phone away, saying no to people right now. I need to focus on myself. I need time on me. And I was able to work internally with myself. And at the end of the day, that's what everybody's looking for. More than money, a lot of people wants to be happy, feel well with themselves, have a high self-esteem, have confidence, and feeling really good about what you're doing every day and how you feel about yourself every day. So I find that as the most valuable thing. So choose wisely what you want to do today and also what you want to do tomorrow. But this is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you really like this video. If you like this type of content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and I would love to see you on my next video. Bye.